Hi, and welcome to the LB0 Fox India YouTube channel on this chilly autumn day. This is episode 2 in my mobile antenna setup, and I'm doing things a little bit different today. I'm doing, as you can see behind me, small car, large antenna. I'm doing the MFJ-1979 on my Citroen Z0 electric vehicle, also known as the Mitsubishi i-MiEV. It's a Japanese K car with an electric motor, so this is small. And the antenna is big, a lot bigger than the car. So hang on after intro and we'll take a look at the setup and do the usual 15 minutes of FTA testing. So my setup is the same as last time, using the Microsoft Surface as my computer. The QDX for the radio side of things, hooked up to the Hard Rock 50 amplifier, and that's about it. So I'll be doing 15 minutes of FT8, and when we get back, we'll do the same as last time. We'll take a look at PSQ Reporter. We'll take a look at how many QSOs I made and where I made them, and draw some conclusions on the MFJ-1979 for mobile use. So 15 minutes has passed on the MFJ-1979 on top of the really small car. And how does this perform? Well, first of all, if we look at the QSO map, I got a total number of 4 QSOs. So a significantly lower amount than with the hamstick. That might just be a coincidence though, time of day, conditions and everything. This is not a scientific comparison. My results today were 1 QSO from Germany, 1 from Greece, and 2 from Russia. So total of 4 QSOs compared to the 7 QSOs on the other antenna, the hamstick. But then again, if we look at the spots, I'm spotted more consistently across the world. As expected, big concentration across Central Europe, big concentration across the eastern coast of the United States compared to the hamstick that didn't really get a lot of spots there. I got spotted in Australia, as with the hamstick, and also Japan. So the spots are a little bit better. It's also worth noticing that when I first started calling CQ, I got interrupted, so I had to stop calling CQ. And I got back and saw that I had a reply from an American station. Tried to call him again, did not manage to call him, so wasted a couple of minutes on that. So my conclusion thus far is that the antennas perform pretty much the same. Maybe a little bit more spots, maybe a little bit more results with the, or more spots, and maybe a little bit more DX spots with the MFJ-1979 than the hamstick, but nothing significantly. I know from using both antennas on a ground mount that the MFJ antenna performs better, usually 9 out of 10 cases. But then it's the next aspect, the practicality aspect. The hamstick has a manageable length, whereas the MFJ-1979 is 5 meters or 17 foot long, which is not really practical when mounting it on the roof of a car. So no clear winner here yet. I'll be back in a couple of days, and then I'll be testing one of my other mobile antennas. So please do like, comment, and subscribe, and you will get notified once I drop a new video. Also, check out my older videos, and until next time, MFJ-1979.